Let's start by giving RapidNative a prompt. In seconds, the screen is generated along with the React Native code. Let's click on the Select button and give a prompt in the inline editor and watch RapidNative update the design and code instantly. Let's personalize it by uploading a logo. Now let's use the draw feature. Simply add your ideas, and RapidNative transforms them into a polished design instantly. Next, RapidNative creates a task list that you can complete by clicking. Now let's try it out. Click Scan QR to preview the app directly on your phone. With the preview option, explore how the app looks across different mobile devices. Finally, let's download the project, ready to use and production ready. From prompt to design, code, preview, and export, RapidNative makes building mobile apps effortless.